Hello YouTube. In this video, I will be unboxing the Apexgaming AG-750M power supply courtesy of Apexgaming. The AG-750M is certified 80 plus Gold, rated at 750 watt, and it is full modular. In terms of features and performance, it doesn't lose out to any other power supply in the same category. However, Apexgaming has made it much more affordable. Warranty period do differ from country to country. For Singapore market, the warranty period is 3 years instead of 10. Let's move on to the unboxing. Included in the box, some paperwork, a bag of cables, power cord that will suit your country of purchase, and a bag of silver colored case screws. And here is the power supply. In terms of technical specifications and performance, it doesn't lose out to any of its counterparts while maintaining affordability. For this power supply, you will definitely be getting your money's worth. Fast forwarding through taking the cables out of the bag, here you can see that the ends of the included PCI-E power cables are red in color. The included cable consists of one CPU power cable 4+4 pin, two PCI-E power cable 6+2 pin with two connectors on each cable, two Sata power cable with 4 connectors on each cable, one Molex power cable with 4 connectors, one motherboard power cable 20+4 pin, and lastly a floppy connector. I highly recommend the AG-750M if you are in the market for a new power supply. In comparison to other manufacturers' power supply in the same category, it costs cheaper and yet offers equal amount of features and performance. Right now, you are able to get it in Singapore on Lazada for a retail price of SGD $117.61. Link will be in the description below. A big shout out to Apexgaming and thank you for watching.